Hello, we're the kids.
This is Rosa, our bus.
And together we're Rosa and us.
We bought the bus and we built the inside to fit our needs.
We homeschool and we learn about the world as we travel.
We work online and we live simply.
Our plan is no plan, but to explore what is unknown to us.
Rosa was an airport shuttle bus. We found Rosa sitting in a yard. She was green and dirty. She hadn't been used for 3 years. COVID had put a stop to her travels, but we had other ideas. Her mechanics were in good condition, the body was sound, so we brought her home on a trailer, and there she sat. Our vision to travel the world was taking shape. We started cleaning her up, taking out all the extra chairs, figuring out where we were going to build the things we needed to live in Rosa for the next 10 years. It took 4 months full-time work to finish building Rosa, and we were ready to start a journey around Australia. After 10,000 kilometres around Oz, we knew we could do it. We could take the next step and ship Rosa to Malaysia, where we could explore more of this beautiful world. How about a quick tour of Rosa? Hi, welcome to our Home on Wheels. This is our little study nook and where we do our office work and coffee in the morning, watch the sunrise. Coming through, we've got kids' artwork with all these wonderful stories and places we've visited. Bathroom, into our lovely big kitchen lounge room space. Everything you need. Storage above and below. Lovely little fridge freezer. Cupboard, wardrobe space. Got this great little coffee table and also another study area or crafting space. And here we've got our double king size bunk beds, which is perfect. The kids love it down here. It's like a little cave, magic cave with bookshelves and space and a bit of a view out the window as well. And upstairs we've got 360-degree views, so where we park's pretty important. And we just love it. We love looking at our lovely ceiling and views out the window, all in 7 metres of space. And this is our Home on Wheels. We can enjoy going wherever we like, whenever we like, rocking and rolling around the world. It didn't take long and we felt right at home. Rosa took us to some beautiful places. Pristine beaches, hidden forests, tranquil rivers, remote bushland, and even inside a dormant volcano, all under endless starry skies. The people we met along the way were kind, funny, and generous storytellers. Mark, come forward, lovey. It was a good test. Not just a test for Rosa, but for us as a family to travel and live together in a small space with minimal belongings. Driving our bus is an extraordinary experience. Breathtaking landscapes, unique wildlife, and a profound sense of adventure. Australia's vast terrain offers something for every camper. Fall asleep to the sounds of waves at places like Whitehaven Beach, Gaze at the stars in the magical outback. Watch the sun setting over the ocean in Western Australia is unforgettable. Camping in Australia is about connecting to nature and remembering how inspiring the world can be.
Exciting is that after a long drive we're getting to the city of Perth. City of Perth is most remote city in the world, which is the closest city into it is Adelaide, South Australia. Is 2,100 kilometers away from it and surrounded with nothing. nothing at all. Only a beauty, and also beauty of the amazing beaches Western Australia has. It's an amazing city, isn't it? What do you think?
It is. It is an amazing city. And before the white Europeans came, it was called Morlu or Bilu.
Perth is nicknamed the City of Light
City of Light? Why?
because it gets 8 hours of sunshine every single day.
Okay, Bismillah. Whew, so exciting.
When
Big day today. We've got to fit our bus into the shipping container. So in order to meet those requirements, we have to remove the air conditioner off the roof, which is the big man's job. And we've got to deflate the tyres about 10 centimetres. And we've got to cross our fingers that we can squeeze in and fit and ship. Woo! Big task.
No, just because I installed that, so I know how to dismantle it. Hopefully it will be easy, but bringing it down from the top of the bus is a big task, so I need a big muscle. Hopefully the girls will help me.
Hi.
Hello.
hello, Dad.
Okay. And here we done. We sealed it and we're ready to rock and roll.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.
Yo, here's the container. Gonna ship the bus in it. So here we're putting Rosa in the hand of Taylor. A lot of space from the roof. I think it's like a 20 centimeter in the high coupe container. Thank you so much, Taylor, for your help, man. Really appreciate it. And we're gonna meet the Rosa in Malaysia, hopefully. See you in Malaysia.
Not really.
Watch the next episode as we struggle to get Rosa out of the container. Are we in the trouble?
จะเป่าเกตจะปั่น 来来来来